I am Venu Vinod. Started my business activity in the year 1982, starting a trading company from Secunderabad. We have started our activity with products of Larsen & Toubro Limited with a modest turnover of about 20-12 lakhs in the year 82, and now we have reached a group turnover of 110 crores. We are projecting for the next year turnover of around 140 crores, and now I have 4 companies in trading, manufacturing and service related activities. Recently I am also associated with a major real estate venture and started a company called Cyber City Builders and Developers Private Limited with a township concept called Cyber City close to High Tech City in Hyderabad. My business activity ranges from trading activity turnover of around 48 crores this year, coming out of my engineering business, my spare parts activity. We are the distributors for Tata Motors Limited for passenger car division, selling Tata Indica, Safari, Sumo spare parts, and Greaves Cotton and Company Limited, who are the manufacturers of light engines in India. In addition to these activities, we have involved in the service activity of Eicher Motors Limited, where we service the heavy vehicles with 2 workshops in Shamshabad and Jetcharla. In addition to this, we have recently started a manufacturing company called Recon Technologies Private Limited, where we are manufacturing diesel generating sets in collaboration with Mahindra and Mahindra. We are called the original equipment manufacturers of these DG sets, and we have a manpower strength of 48 people in the factory, which includes manufacturing and service team. In addition to this team, we have a 9-member marketing team with a dealership of about 24 people in Andhra Pradesh. This year we are proposing to sell around 2,200 numbers of diesel generating sets, and we are looking forward to have major R&D development in these areas, whereby we can give better power supply at by getting less diesel consumption for these engines. We have also got a chemical unit called Srivillas Hydrotech Private Limited, where we manufacture water treatment chemicals which are used in industries like steel, power, paper, etc. This industry is located in IDA Bolaram. Started this unit with a partner of mine, Sunil Chawda, who is an entrepreneur in chemical business. Our future, we are now planning to go ahead in this spares distribution, which will cater to all the lower market segments like Mandal headquarters in the state of Andhra Pradesh, whereby we want to give faster service to see that all the automobiles are in which we are dealing are put back immediately. We have a strong employee base of about 140 people in these 3 companies who are giving us able support, and we look forward by their support to get better laurels in the near future. Thank you.